Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to create simple Google Forms. For that, just search for Google Forms in the browser. And click on the first link floated here. And go to Google Forms. And this is how home page of Google Form looks like. And you can start with a new form now. You can choose a blank form or you can choose any readily available templates and edit those according to your requirement. For this tutorial purpose, let's start with the new one as we are learning how to create Google Form. And the newly selected form is untitled. Let's title it first. Let's consider we are making a Google Form for sports meet in this tutorial. So let the title be Sports Meet 2021. You can give any description for this, the instructions to fill out the form or something information related to this form where you are collecting something. So let the description be sports meet is from 21st to 25th, something like that. Let's start with the questions. Let the first question be name and let's select it to short answer, and just click on this plus icon here to add the question. Let the second question be role and let it be short answer and make it required, and make this question also required, and then add another question next to this. Let the next question be group, leave it as multi-choice. Let's start giving options: CSE, ECE, EEE, MEC. Make it required and add another question. Let's add another question to know the sports in which people are interested in. For that, let's create a question: sports interested in. Let it be check boxes so that people can choose more than one option here, whereas with multi option they can choose only one option. That was the difference between check boxes and multi option. Let's add another last question, make it required. Let's add another question: any suggestions? Let it be long answer paragraph so that they can suggest anything they want. Don't make it required, it's their wish to suggest anything or not. So that's it for this. So let's see the preview of this, how it looks. So for that, let's click on this eye icon here. Yeah, this is the preview. How the first question is name, role, group, sports interested in, and any suggestions. It's better to add a question of gender also. So for that, let's add that question also. Let's add the question of gender next to this role. So that for that, click on this role and click this plus so that the question will be added next to the role. Gender, use drop down here, male, and next female. Make it required. So let's see the preview again. Yeah, now the gender was also added. That's it. It was good. Yeah, we successfully created a simple Google form. That's it for this tutorial. In the next video we will see various options available in sharing the form and how to collect the responses. Thank you.